My dear students, very good morning to all of you. Dear students, we have completed the chapter section number 1, and after completion we have some general questions which require discussion from a group. That is known as a kind of a group discussion we require. Like if we say question number 1, who am I? How would you describe yourself as a person? Just write down few sentences. It's all for you. Just you have to write down the answers. Does not mean that you have to write from within the book only, but does not mean you have to copy and paste. I just want you to write only few sentences of your own. Right? Is what you have understood in this lecture, what you have understood in this chapter. So you can write few. I'll be very happy and glad if you write only 5, 6, 7 sentences only of your own. That copying and pasting is not my requirement. What issues are important to you as an individual? As an individual, what issues you feel are very important, right? You have to write down. Means I will check. This is a kind of a home task for you guys all, and just do not need to elaborate everything, but as an individual, what you feel, what issues are important. Like example, if I'm giving you, if we write sentences about crime, this is the biggest issue. This is the biggest challenge to overcome, right? That these are I just cited an example. So similarly, there are n number of issues which are very important as an individual. But now I want all of you to write of your own, so that I understand that you have learned, you have gone through the chapter which we have already passed. What aspect of yourself would you like to change, improve? What things you want to change in respect to the society, environment, okay, school, everything means, but it should be related to the moral science only. It does not mean that I want to bring the volleyball. No, means if you feel that no, there should be some change in moral aspect of the school, you write down. Okay. What another one? What is the one change you would like to bring in your environment in school and home? Okay, this is again another similar question, a kind of a similar question. So this is a what kind of change you want to bring. You want to bring, like, I want to grow more trees. I want to make a kind of a fountain in a place where we play, right? Like that. How can you bring about that change? Means the change you want to bring that in the environment, but how can you bring that? It's not like I want skyscrapers, buildings in the in my nearby areas. That is not the change. You want to change